Welcome back to Pro School's YouTube channel. My name is Samir, and in terms of my background, I am an engineer and an MBA and a CFA and an FRM with an industry experience of around 15 years. Work profile primarily is into valuations analyst for an investment banking firm. CFA program is structured in such a way that the first level assumes you probably do not have any prior background in finance or investments, and the idea of the level 1 is to bring you up to a point where you can understand advanced finance and investment concepts. So irrespective of whether my background is into commerce or into engineering or into say any other discipline, level 1 CFA will see to it that you are equipped to understand the entire program. It might so happen that if I am from commerce background, I probably am already aware of few topics in level 1, so the effort required might slightly be different. But whether I am from engineering or any other non-commerce or non-finance background, CFA as a course can obviously be pursued by anybody. The first level of the course has been designed only in such a way that you probably end up knowing enough investments and finance to learn the remaining course better. With Pro School, the basic benefit is the trainer will bring examples with which you can relate to the concept better in terms of how practically they are used. Theory can be studied directly from the books, but where the value add happens is in terms of the trainer bringing in his experience, sharing the examples which help you relate to how this entire theory that is being taught in say level 1 or 2, 3 is applied in the industry. Okay, and that makes studying the theory a little easier. Okay. That is, I think, the difference or the value add that you will get with Pro School. If I am an engineer, will I have, say, at least in a few topics like, say, accounting or, say, economics, which maybe somebody from engineering background might not be exposed to at all. Some more hand-holding probably will be done. See, the concept of the M0 module is to understand how one should approach investments as such. Okay. How to decide which investment is better, what are the very basic tools for it, for one to decide. Some of these concepts are addressed in the M0 module. Now with Pro School or in Pro School, what we do is we first run the candidate through the M0 module. So it gives the candidate a concept of what an investment is in general, and thereafter you start with your actual course, learning each subject in detail and then bringing the investment concept a little better. So that is some M0 module will give you starting point or build a perspective for you to how to view the entire CFA course as such. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.